Hello everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on the topic of what is a postnuptial agreement. A postnuptial agreement, very different from a prenuptial agreement, is an agreement entered into after you all have taken your nuptials and became husband and wife. That is a situation where you might be still cordial and you might have thought it through. Hey, maybe I don't want this property that I'm about to purchase for my business to be considered marital property if the unlikely event of us divorcing occurs. Or maybe I do want it to be considered marital property and my husband and I have decided what will be his and what will be mine, and we want to designate that. So again, if we ever come to a divorce, we would have already made those designations at a time where we actually like each other and can have the conversation. Postnuptial agreements do not have to be a hasty conversation. I would say approach your spouse and tell them, hey, look, I thought it over. We never had a prenuptial agreement when we got married. I think we should get a postnuptial. You should have your property spelled out here. I'll have my property spelled out there. And we'll talk about what we accumulate as husband and wife and how that will be designated. I think that that's a great opportunity to avoid the ugliness of a divorce. Divorces can get ugly really fast, especially when property is involved and you think, oh, I don't have any property. You do have property. If you have a retirement, any retirement benefits, if you have a pension, if you have a 401k, if you have real property, if you have any property like a vehicle that you have purchased and you have an interest in, your spouse is entitled to those things in the likely, again, or unlikely event of a divorce without a prenup or postnuptial agreement. Just wanted to clarify what a postnuptial agreement is. If you're in need legal services in the state of Maryland or the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.